Corpse called me and I was like, how do I say no to what up, baby?
Wait, is that what you
said?
Is that what you said? First person we asked, okay.
Yeah, he said, what up, baby?
Wait, Corpse, you gotta say, I wanna see what, reenact it or something, guys, come on.
Yeah, Corpse, give us one.
Give us one.
That's for the private conversation. I didn't know you would say that.
What do you mean? Corpse, imagine how many people are gonna set it as their ringtone if you say it right now.
Yeah, it's been said in the past before.
Their alarm clock.
They already have it recorded.
Yeah, how many people are gonna set that as their ringtone?
How many people are gonna set Sykkuno's "Oh Jesus" as their alarm?
Probably none of them. Probably none of them.
Sykkuno, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. You got at least one.
At least one. Wait, what do you mean?
Wait, is it you?
Is it you?
It's his mom.
What the heck?
You got at least one.
Yeah.
Brevin, press that exe.
Oh.
Oh
Yeah, Bretman, you